So this is what happened yesterday during the video. That's why I went ouch. Not the cat. He did that. It's very painful. It's been hard to do things. Well, grab things. There the culprit lays. Chillin'. Tutankhamun. Hey. Yeah, that's right. Ignore me. Ignore me. Avalanche. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Look at you. What are you doing? He's always about attention. Here. And when I stop petting him, this is what he does. He sits and waits. Watch this, though. See if he'll start doing it. He likes to try and chew my nails from time to time, so... Chew. I guess he doesn't want to right now. Happy cat, happy cat, happy, happy, happy cat. Oh, a nice boy. Gonna see if he'll have a go at this. Doesn't have a jingler in it. Oop. Ready, Heavy? Go get the ball. Well, go get the ball. Oh my god, I didn't even notice she was there. Miniwheat. Miniwheat, they haven't seen you yet. Say hi, Minnie. Oh, see something funny? Watch this. Achoo! Achoo! Oh, she's not doing it. Oh, she's gonna make a liar out of me. Achoo! Haha. Achoo! 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 She's not about it. She usually yells at me. I'm allowed to talk to Miniwheat. Miniwheat. Tell him. What is up with this? Alright guys, I'm calling it on the vlog. Yeah. Do more stuff tomorrow, eh? Yeah? What do you think? More stuff tomorrow? You're a good boy.